Hello, class 12th computer science students. I am Atul Gupta and today I am going to explain the concept of looping statements in Python. Looping. There are two types of loops are supported by Python. First one is for loop and second one is while loop. For loop is a counting loop and while loop is a conditional loop. For loop is a counting loop. It means it is used when the number of time of execution are pre-decided or fixed, and while loop is used in this situation where the number of repetitions are not decided and a condition is given. Now for loop is already discussed in previous lecture. Now today we discuss concept of while loop, how the working process of while loop. The while loop. The while loop is a conditional loop that will repeat the instructions or loop body statements within itself as long as a condition remains true. It means a while loop is processed as a given loop expression, a given condition is checked. As the condition is true, then loop body will be executed. Loop body will be executed until the condition is true. As the condition is false, the loop control transfer to outside the loop, that is loop will be stopped. The syntax of while loop is while, then logical expression of test condition, then loop body. In the while loop, loop body contains a single statement or more than one statement, that is multiple statements. Now consider the while loop concept with a following example. Program to calculate the factorial of a number using while loop. That is, find the factorial of a number. The program is that a variable n equal to int input enter a number. As the user give a number that is assigned to a variable n. This number which factorial is find. It means which number you want to find factorial. This is given by user and assigned to a variable n. And another variable fact equal to 1. Now while logical expression is n greater than 0, then loop body is fact equal to fact multiply n. This is the concept of factorial. First we discuss what is the concept of factorial. Now concept of factorial is if the factorial of n, then we calculate as n multiply n minus 1 multiply n minus 2 up to 1. It means value of n is multiply as their decreasing order up to 1. For example, if we find 2 factorial 5, then 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, that is the result is 120. It means factorial of 5 is 120. Now this concept is used in the program. Fact equal to fact multiply n, and next statement n equal to n minus 1. Then every loop iteration, after iteration n value will be decreased by 1 unit, as the concept say n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to 1. Now the condition is given n greater than 0 and this condition check after every iteration. Now first one, value of n, if the user given a number n is 5. Now write n value assigned to 5. And another variable fact equal to 1, that is the value of fact is 1. and then condition check. 5 greater than 0, value of n is 5. 5 greater than 0, condition is true, then control transfer to inside the loop body. Fact equal to fact multiply n. Fact is 1. 1 multiply 5. 1 multiply 5, 5. 5 is assigned to fact. Now value of fact is 5. This one. Then value of n is decreased by 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 value assigned to n. Now value of n is 4. Again condition is checked. 4 greater than 0, yes. Then control transfer inside the loop. Fact, value of fact is 5. 5 into n. N is 4. 5 into 4, 20. 20 value assigned to fact. Now 20 value is assigned to fact. Then n equal to n minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 value assigned to n. N is 3. Then again check condition. 3 greater than 0, yes. Then fact equal to fact into n. Fact is 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 value assigned to fact. Now value of fact is 60. Then n equal to n minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. N is 2. Then again check condition. 2 greater than 0, yes. Then condition true. Loop control transfer inside the loop body. Fact 60 into 2, 120. 120 assigned to fact. Fact value is 120. Then n 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 is assigned to n. Then value of n is 1. 1 greater than 0, yes. Then fact equal to fact into n. Fact is 120 into 1. 120 into 1, that is 120 assigned to fact. Value of fact is 120. Now n equal to n minus 1. N is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now value of n is 0. Now check condition. 0 greater than 0, no. Condition is false. As the condition false, loop control transfer to the next statement after loop body. Then a print statement is given here. Print factorial of given number is fact. Last value of fact is 120. Then print statement display factorial of given number is 120. This is the concept of factorial finding. Now output is, first statement is enter a number. If user enter a number 5, then print output is factorial of given number is 120. This is the concept of while loop and factorial finding. This program is coded as given coding program in Python to calculate factorial of given number using while loop, and we write coding for finding factorial. As the program run, first statement is enter a number. If user enter a number 5, then press enter. Factorial of given number is 120. Again run this program. Enter a number. If user enter a number is 6, then output is factorial of given number is 720. This is the concept of calculating factorial using while loop.